what's my viewpoint on being a true badass, so to speak? Literally knowing you are. You don't think you are. You know you're a badass. I know I'm a badass. And I don't even have to talk about it. I know I already am. I tell myself I am a badass. Even in the darkest of times. You have to have that badassery ingrained within yourself. You have it. Don't think like you have to go beat up your girlfriend or boyfriend or go bully someone thinking you have the power. That's actually considered the opposite of badass. Low self-confidence, low self-esteem when you do those things, externalizing your power like that. You find the badassery within yourself, and things will come to you more successfully. Believe within yourself that you are indeed a badass within yourself.